Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open an individual or joint brokerage account online in about 10 minutes. Follow prompts to enter your name, address, date of birth, email, and phone number as required. Verify your identity with a photo ID and social security number and upload documents when asked. Choose cash or margin and agree to account agreements and electronic delivery preferences. Review beneficiary designations, investment objectives, and risk tolerance questions carefully. Create secure login credentials and enable two-step authentication for additional security. Link a bank and transfer funds using ACH. Transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days. You can also deposit checks by mobile capture or wire funds for same-day credit, and add external accounts from other brokerages using a CATS to transfer securities. For retirement accounts, choose rollover or transfer types and follow Fidelity prompts for direct trustee-to-trustee moves. Maintain a 500 minimum for margin accounts and /bin/sh for standard IRAs. And confirm available cash before placing trades to avoid rejected orders or margin calls. Use the Trade tab to enter symbol, quantity, and order type, market, limit, or stop, and then preview the estimated execution. Set limit prices, specify time in force such as day or GTC, and review estimated fees before submitting to control execution and cost. Monitor positions on the Positions page, set price and news alerts, and use fractional shares for odd dollar investing. Use Fidelity's research, streaming quotes, and watch lists, and download Form 1099 and trade confirmations for tax reporting and record keeping at year-end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.